Hola mga kamaster, so eto tayo ngayon. Itatry naman natin ngayon i-connect yung ating nabiling GameSir T1D remote control dito sa ating Telo. So let's try! So ito, actually unbox na natin, so kaya medyo hindi na natin masyadong titingnan. Yan siya. So ito ulit yung kanyang mga manual. So instruction manual, so kung medyo nalilito pa tayo, pwede natin itong pagbasihan. Instruction manual. Then, ito na, ang ating controller. So, take note lang mga kamaster. Ang kailangan natin is yung T1D GameSir. Ha? Take note na itong T1D GameSir ang compatible para sa Telo. So, baka ma-confuse kayo. Yung iba kasi T1S ang nabibili. So, yung T1S, prefer siya para sa gaming. So, if you're more on gaming, T1S is more compatible sa paggamit. Pero kung sa Telo, sa pagpapalipad ni Telo, dito tayo sa T1D. So, ito, T1D itong hawak ko. So, probably, mas compatible siya dito sa Telo. So, make sure of the two models kasi some of the buyers hindi talaga alam yung difference. So, baka mabili natin yung T1S. Yun, sayang naman. So, T1D tayo for Telo usage. So, yun. Ito, wala nang laman. So, ito na guys. Simulan na lang natin. Testing natin. So, gamit ang phone, ito yung magiging ating screen or mirror para makita natin yung ating view. So, let's see. First of all, turn on natin ang ating controller. Turn on na siya. Then, ang ating Telo, turn on natin. So yun, turn on na siya. Okay. Let's now connect. Kailangan natin mahanap si Telo. At ayaw mahanap si Telo. Ayun. So, ayun, nakonect natin si Telo. Kailangan, yan. Buksan natin ang Telo app. Then, sa Telo app, there you go. Kita niyo siya. So, ayun. Kung makikita nyo, nandun si GameSir D. So, nakonect na natin siya. Kailangan naka-open din yung Bluetooth nung mismong app ng Telo. So, yan. Connected. Then, yan. Connected na siya. Kita niyo siya. Check natin yun. Nice. So, eto na siya. Dapat guys, make sure yung Bluetooth na portion na nandito sa taas. Ito, make sure na ito ay naka-bold. Ibig sabihin nun, naka-pair na siya dito sa ating GameSir. So, ayan. Let's try it guys. Wait. Check natin. Check natin kung paano siya. So, ito ang usage ng ating manual. So, after ko sa manual, okay. So, tayo sa English version. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung manual niya is may iba't ibang language. So, doon tayo sa English version. Check natin kung paano yung mode of flying niya. So, ayun. Dito naman siya. So, sabi niya, tapos kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung screen ngayon nitong ating phone is nag-iba compare dun sa dating wala siyang controller. Dati nandito mismo yung mga controllers na pataas, pababa, left and right. So, ngayon, ang makikita nyo ngayon is naging screen lang talaga siya. And then, ang controller talaga is ito ng Bluetooth. So, as per dito sa ating manual, okay, Percy,
One eternity later.
take off natin. Alright. Ibaba natin. Ayan. So, let's take a video. So, record na natin. Ayan siya. Hola! So, gilid. Ayan. Hi! At taas. So, ayan. So, for me, masarap siyang pagalawin. Dito, gamit ng ating Bluetooth. Para ka lang naglalaro. Ayan o. Alright. Mas natin ante. Up. Up. Diba guys? So, and lapitin ko sa akin guys ha. Para i-hand landing natin. And that's it. It's so easy to use guys. So, next time, itry naman natin siya ng outdoor. So, for now, it's great in indoor. Thanks for watching. Till next time, guys.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, no.